Hi everyone, Carlos here. Today we're gonna be working on the trailer. We're gonna be lifting all the corners and then we're gonna be working on the suspension of the trailer. And for that we're gonna be using the high lift jack. As you know, this lift jack, it's like no jokes. Let's go do it. Right now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna lift a little bit the axle, lift it, and then we're gonna remove the suspension here, right? We had to lift the whole trailer and then we can flip this axle. It was kind of complicated here because I don't have too much space and I don't have the tools. But right now, I think I got it. Let's see. So this is the final product here. It was kind of complicated for me in order to put the wheels because of the fence that I have right next to the trailer. So I had to request help with my friends Luis and Danny in order to carry the trailer and move it to this side. But that's it. For now, that's the final product in terms of the suspension. I'll be adding a couple shocks later, but as you can see here, we had to drop down the fender a little bit. We had to replace the tires because right now it looks really bad. But let me show you something that it's important here. It's 25, almost 26 inches of clearance. Before it was like 11 or 12. So right now we got the clearance that we are looking for.